Hello.
Hello, my name is Spencer.
Spencer, huh?
Yes.
It's a good name.
Yes, I know.
So,
My mom gave me that name.
that's nice.
Yes, she was off of iCarly. Do you watch that show?
No.
I love it. Yeah. Yes, I love it.
So, how old are you, Spencer?
I'm exact 25.
25, huh? Good number, good number.
Yes, please.
And do you have any experience being a dental assistant?
No.
No.
Yeah, no. I mean, this is my first time to have an actual job.
Well, I see there are some braces on your teeth.
Yes,
Isn't that experience?
I think so.
Then you do have experience.
Okay. But, so what else?
So, why do you want this job?
So I can prove my mommy I'm not a slob and a failure.
Well, you are a slob and a failure, and you should deal with it.
Okay.
Mister, I don't think you're right for the job.
Why not? So why not? I mean, seriously, I'm perfect.
I just really think it doesn't really work. Oh my gosh.
Yes. Why doesn't it work?
Well, first of all, you're kind of a weird guy.
How am I weird? Just tell me that right now.
Well, you talk with a lisp.
So are you.
So?
I bet you're.
And you're really, really annoying. Bye-bye, Spencer. Next!